Hi YouTube, this is a side-by-side video which I'm going to display the difference between the DIYHerps fruit fly media and the Repashy fruit fly media. I'm going to add flies from this advanced husbandry culture of Drosophila hydae, and I'm going to add about 60 flies to each container. The Repashy is made up of this 17.6 ounce pot. It does look different to usual Repashy cultures. I usually get the smaller tubs, but they're quite expensive, but they always go like an orange colour because of the paprika, but for some reason this pot didn't produce an awful lot of paprika looking stuff, but I can assure you this is definitely Repashy. So we're going to add the flies, and I'll be back in 5 days to show you exactly the difference in terms of larvae production and whether any fruit flies have spawned. Thanks. Hi everyone, so we're back here 5 days later to check on the progress of the Repashy mixture and also the DIYHerps UK fruit fly media recipe. So let's have a look. As you can see, the top is starting to get a bit softer, the fermentation's started. I'm not sure if you can just about make out some larvae, I believe just at the top of my thumb there. Let's have a look. As you can see, it's gone slightly oranger because that's what Repashy does, the paprika sort of dissolves. Trying to find a bit more, some larvae. So I can't see any larvae. I think I saw one a minute ago, but there's not that many. Can't see any. So let's look at the DIYHerps mix. So we've got quite a few larvae here. You can see one just there near my finger, moving around. Quite a few really. You can also see them digging inside the media. A few more on this side. So yeah, on first glances, the DIYHerps mix is much faster than Repashy. Although Repashy does have many fantastic ingredients within it, all amino acids, quite a lot of sources of carotenoids, but the DIYHerps mixture, because it's so fresh, the fermentation starts a lot quicker, so we can get quicker larvae production. So yeah, check out the video, it's in the description. Thank you. Hi guys, so I've got the 10-day update now. So if you look here, this is the DIYHerps mix. We've got plenty of larvae growing up the sides. It's quite a fruitful culture. Plenty of larvae. If you look at the Repashy one, you can see that there is some orange cocoons from where the larvae have cocooned over and then turned into fruit flies, but not a massive amount of larvae production. You can see a few here on the top layer of the media, but not so much in the rest of the culture. So side by side you can clearly see the DIYHerps mix is far superior in terms of production.